Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's me Tanvi. So in this video I'm going to unbox a new package that I got from Amazon, a pouch that I ordered. So it came in with a good package condition, and it was also in a Ziploc cover, and it cost me around like 619 rupees or something like that. So basically it has like it was delivered in a Ziploc cover, like a Ziploc packaging, and then it had like two zips with black and white checks on it, and there was like a special on it, and it has like a pouch, and that it has like for the purpose of keeping pens, they give us separate ones. So I like that part, and it also had many compartments in it, and the second one was also the same, but it was the continuation. So yes, it was like this. So it is so cool guys, and I really love it, and it's awesome. It has another two packages, and then yeah, and backside it had like this and had perfect handle. So subscribe.